today I want to do a really different video. I'm gonna trade shitcoins today. I've been doing this for like 2 weeks and I had huge success with this. So I'm basically only doing this now because yeah, the gains are insane. You can make like 10x. I've even made a 80x and 100x. And first of all, join my Telegram if you want my calls. And I also made a Discord. Let me show you here, Crypto Switzerland calls. I make all my calls in here, where you can see, and also on Telegram you can also get into my Telegram group. Yeah, the link is going to be down in the description, so make sure to follow both these groups, because there I post all my signals. I'm going to do all the research for you guys basically, and you can also follow me on TikTok. I have nearly 1,000 followers there, so yeah, that really helps out. So let's get into the video. So basically, this is what I use to find shitcoins. Here I can scan for new coins, and basically this is my scan setting here. And as you can see, I'm going to show you an example here. Go and trade it today. So these are all the new coins on Uniswap. You can also scan for BSG coins, but the scan function doesn't work somehow. It's like it's bugged or something. So I really like this tool that I created here. So let's see. Let's go on new tokens. All right, Simba Inu. The first thing I always look for is liquidity and the amount of holders. So these are all new coins. The token age is really young. They were like posted probably a few minutes ago. And as you can see here, an Inu coin pops up. And what else? Lucky Dog. Lucky Dog. Look at. Let's look at this guy. Look at this coin. It has 12,000 liquidity. I'm gonna always check the adder scan. That's really important. And what else do I have? The token sniffer to see if the contract is verified and if there's been, okay, this one doesn't work. And what else do we have? DEX tools and Unicrypt. All right. Let's see. On Unicrypt, you can see if the liquidity is locked. This is a really good sign already. 99% of the liquidity seems to be locked, and it will be unlocked in a year. The only bad thing is it's only $6,000, which is really low. I usually only invest into coins with at least 30 to 40,000 US dollars in liquidity, because 6,000 liquidity is basically nothing, you know. Let's see the chart. So the first thing on DEX tools, look at this. This is already a big red sign. There's only buys in here, not a single sell. So this could be a honeypot here. The rating is, I also look at the rating sometimes. Yeah, this I would already not go into this coin, but I'm gonna go further and see what we can find in adder scan. Lucky Doge. Let's check the contract. So the contract is not verified, so we can't check the source code, which is really bad. It's another red flag right here. Let's go on the token tracker. Let's see what we get here. Burn interest, so 78% is burned. That means how much is left? 22% is left. Another thing is there's no contract on those wallets, so those are private wallets. And there you can see this is the biggest red flag. I would never put your money into this, because you're gonna lose it. 50%, so that means 50%, 60, 70, 80. Out of 22% left, there's like 80% left in free wallets, so they can dump this price in a matter of seconds. So don't invest into this coin. I'm gonna go out of it. This is a scam coin. Yeah, that's the thing. It's really a risky business, basically, but you can make such huge gains. I'm gonna show you some gains really quick on my Telegram. Make sure to join the Telegram, because we're making big gains. Look, we have 950 followers so far. And here, the biggest one was Astro Ellen. I made 100x on this coin. Like $1,000 to $80,000, or $100,000, I mean. This is actually insane. And Yeah, what else? Kumino, this is was a 4x, 5x, I think. Yesterday we made a quick 10x call on Pikamoon. No, actually it was a 20x call. If you went out at the right time, I made like 10x. Yeah, join the Telegram. I'm gonna post all signals, and also make sure to join my Discord. We have a cool community here. People also post their tokens here, and I give my calls in this section. So yeah, I'm also working on a website where I will publish all the calls. Yeah, guys, make sure to join. If you want more videos on how I analyze and trade those coins, I'm gonna put some more up later, and just let me know. Have a nice time.